IBM TSM software for small business to streamline their operations. An application for enterprise-wide storage management is IBM Tivoli Storage Manager software. It offers workstations, personal PCs, and file servers from different vendors and runs different operating systems and automated storage management services. To have a deeper understanding of this IBM TSM software for small business, continue reading this post with us now. 1. What is IBM TSM software for small business? An application for enterprise-class backup and archiving is IBM Tivoli Storage Manager, IBM TSM. In order to prevent data loss, IBM TSM, like all enterprise backup software systems, is made to create copies of an organization's data. It offers policy-based, automatic data backup, just like other IBM TSM software for small business platforms, with the ability to manage backup and archive data across disk arrays, tape libraries, and optical storage. IBM Tivoli Storage Manager can also migrate data automatically to lower performance storage as it gets older. Hierarchical storage management or layered storage are other names for this strategy. Policies can specify the data type, retention period, frequency of backups, storage medium type, and hardware that has to be backed up. To gather backup data, IBM TSM employs a progressive incremental, or incremental forever, backup strategy. All subsequent backups are incremental, meaning that only changed data is stored up after the IBM TSM software for small business does an initial full backup. Originally exclusive to IBM TSM, this idea has since spread throughout the industry, notably among cloud backup providers. Since Tivoli Storage Manager is a genuine business product, it can be set up in a variety of ways to suit the requirements of an organization. It is typically used in organizations with a lot of backup data and people to handle it. Hardware such as X, HP-UX, Linux, Solaris, and Windows Server are all supported by IBM TSM. For the majority of supported versions of popular operating systems, TSM's backup client is accessible. 2. How does IBM TSM software for small business work? In order to explore how IBM TSM software for small business work, we need to understand its features. From that, we will have an answer to the first question. Here are IBM TSM's main functions. Server software. The server program offers its users space management, backup, and archive services. To balance storage, processing, and network resources in your workplace network, you can set up many servers. Intergovernmental interface administrators can specify management policies for clients, control and monitor server activity, and schedule service delivery to clients using the administration interface. A web-based interface known as the Operations Center and a command line administrative client are examples of administrative interfaces. You may manage and operate numerous servers using Tivoli Storage Manager from a single web-based interface. The recovery log and server database. The Tivoli Storage Manager server uses a database to track data related to server storage, clients, client data, policies, and scheduling. As a software for databases, the server uses recovery logs to store information about client and server actions as they are being performed. Server memory. Hard drives, disk arrays, subsystems, standalone tape drives, tape libraries, as well as other types of random access and sequential access storage are all devices that the server is capable of writing data to. Storage pools are collections of the media the server consumes. A local area network, LAN, or storage area network can be used to connect the storage devices to the server instead of directly, SAN. Client for backup archives. Users of the backup archive client are able to keep backup copies of their files, which they can restore in the event that the originals are lost or damaged. Additionally, users have the option of archiving files for long-term storage and retrieving them as needed. Workstations and file servers can be registered with a Tivoli Storage Manager server as client nodes by users or administrators. In addition to the client node, the storage agent is an optional component that can be deployed on the same machine. The storage agent supports a variety of operating systems and allows LAN-free data transport for client activities. File server for network-attached storage. By using NDMP, the server can backup and restore file systems that are kept on the network-attached storage (NAS) file server using the Network Data Management Protocol (NDMP). The NAS file server's data is backed up to a tape collection. The NAS file server does not need to have the Tivoli Storage Manager IBM TSM software for small business installed. Additionally, a Tivoli Storage Manager server can receive a LAN backup from a NAS file server. See using NDMP for operations with NAS file servers for further information, including specifics on supported NAS file servers. Customer of an application. Users can start online data backups for applications like database programs using application clients. The application client serves as the interface to Tivoli Storage Manager after the application program starts a backup or restore. The data is subsequently subjected to the storage management features of the Tivoli Storage Manager server. Users of the program won't be significantly interrupted when the application client starts performing its functions. Space management with Tivoli Storage Manager. Tivoli Storage Manager for space management delivers space management features for computers running specific operating systems. The space management feature is essentially an archive with more automation. Utilizing Tivoli Storage Manager for space management, less frequently used files are automatically transferred to server storage to make room on the workstation. The transferred files are also known as space-managed files. 3. What IBM TSM software for small business can do for your small business. Small businesses can use it for standard file system backups, Microsoft SQL database backups, and VM image backups. Additionally, we utilize it to back up the Sybase database, which is a crucial backup for us. The SAP ERP systems database is Sybase. These are essential business systems. For Sybase, IBM doesn't offer a custom data protection agent. As a result, we are leveraging the SAP built-in API to take Sybase backups. We use Sybase ASE, which has the API and enables us to communicate with IBM Spectrum Protect's TSM. Although it is presently using an earlier version, it will soon upgrade to 8.1.9. A platform for data security called Tivoli Storage Manager provides an organization with a single point of control and monitoring for its data as well as recovery options. It offers realistic and trustworthy backup for various sized physical and virtual cloud settings. The cost of backup and recovery is decreased by up to 38%. Additionally, it provides extensive visualization and administrative output. With the integration of vCloud and OpenStack, it also provides cloud computing and virtual backup. Data is 10 times better protected, and the facilities for data restoration are also made simpler. It is one of the key items in the IBM TSM family of products. TSM is a crucial product for long-term data restoration because of this. It runs on every version of Windows and other operating systems and is user-friendly. It is also adaptable and inventive. You can get TSM solutions from reputable IBM TSM software for small business providers if you want to manage your data and make your TSM server function effectively.